Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most talked about rooms at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas, the one-bedroom wraparound terrace suite in the Boulevard Tower. We're up on the 28th floor, and you've probably been wondering whether this suite lives up to the hype. Well, we're about to find out. Let's go. Right here in the entryway is the stunning geisha-inspired piece that immediately catches your eye. In my opinion, Cosmo has some of the best artwork collections you'll find in Vegas. Right here is the full-size guest bathroom. Oh, look at that wall art. And look at that white and black marble countertop. This gives this bathroom a very dramatic look. I just need to do this to my bathroom. All right, let's check out the spacious shower. What I love about this shower is the shimmering pearl tile accents. I love anything pearls. And right here is your complete shower amenities. Guys, these are very good quality, by the way. And I mean, Cosmo, it's the little touches like these that makes this suite feel more like a high-end residence than a standard hotel room. I can't wait to see the rest of the suite. Let's go. Over here in the corner, you'll find the wet bar and kitchenette. There's also a wine chiller for y'all wine lovers out there. But one thing I've noticed at many MGM properties is that you typically won't find a microwave. And that's because they encourage you to enjoy the resort's restaurants and bars instead of cooking in your rooms. Over here, you'll find a stocked snacks and beverages station. But keep in mind, those items come with an extra charge. The good news is there's a separate empty fridge here next to it where you can store your own food and drinks. But if you're traveling on a budget and prefer to prepare your own meals, I'd highly recommend staying at the Vdara. Their suites come with kitchen facilities, and I've actually stayed there before. So be sure to check out my Vdara blog for a full review. Stepping into the living area, first thing you'll notice is just how open and spacious it feels. You have a large lounge area with comfortable sofa that's perfect for relaxing after a long day on the strip, along with a small dining table tucked in between the two seating area. Over here is a writing desk if you need to get some work done, or if you just want to sit back and chill. But the real showstopper is the floor-to-ceiling windows with an incredible views. And trust me, the views only gets better from here. I'll be taking you guys outside to the Wraparound Terrace in just a bit, and that's where the suite really shines. Now let's check out the bedroom. If you're wondering why the TV is mounted on that side of the wall instead of directly in front of the bed, it's actually by design. But don't worry, the TV is mounted on a swivel arm so you can easily pull it out and adjust it for the perfect viewing. The room is laid out so your bed faces the terrace and those incredible floor-to-ceiling windows, making the view the main focal point. Now let's check out the bathroom. the famous Wraparound Terrace. This is easily the highlight of the room, and one of the main reasons why people book this suite is because of this view. You are greeted with this incredible panoramic views of the Las Vegas Strip. You can see Little Paris over to the left, and of course, Planet Hollywood right in front of us. It's a beautiful day today. Time check, it's only 9 in the morning, and people are already hanging out by the pool. Vegas is always buzzing. It's beautiful during the day, but at night, it's on another level. I'll be sharing some of the amazing nighttime shots I captured so that you can see just how stunning the city looks once all the lights come on. They say this city never sleeps, and that's one of the reasons why I keep coming back. A lot of people think it's only about gambling or that you have to be rich to enjoy it, but that's not true at all. Over the years, I've evolved into so much more because there are so many amazing shows, incredible restaurants, shopping, attractions, and now plenty of family-friendly activities. Right over here, that building is the Chelsea Tower. And over here, that pool that you see right there, that's the famous Marquee Pool. If you're visiting on a Sunday, that's where the popular day pool party takes place. We're actually going to head there later to grab a drink, enjoy the music. They have live DJs, and cool off in the pool because this Vegas heat in June is no joke. This is actually my first time staying at the Cosmo since it became part of MGM. So if you've stayed in both the Boulevard and the Chelsea Towers, let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Now, for the big question, is this suite worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. The wraparound terrace and breathtaking views of Vegas alone make this suite worth the stay. I also love the spacious layout, the beautiful artwork, the luxurious spa-like bathroom, and separate living area that's perfect for relaxing or traveling with family. The only downside for me is the lack of microwave or cooking appliances, but that's a minor trade-off considering everything else this suite has to offer. Overall, I would definitely stay here again and highly recommend it. If you've stayed in this suite before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, life is better when you do it all. Peace.